Hi, in this video we are going to see a very good news to the graduates as well as the postgraduate, and there is no particular specialization here. Any graduate and any postgraduate can apply for these vacancies, guys. And I am going to show you the vacancies from the two different institutes, okay? And you can work from home also. So there is no need to go in the work place, okay? So you can work from home itself, and here the salary is 30,000 rupees per month to the 40,000 rupees per month. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities in the pandemic situation. It will be very much helpful to them. And if your requirement is not meet in this video, then please don't worry, guys. Mention your requirement or the subject in the comment section. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. To get my next video as a notification to your mobile phones, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And please watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this recruitment notifications or else the vacancies. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement to the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET Electronic Science examination in the month of October 2021. Here the Unacademy is providing the paper 1 and paper 2 complete course as well as the MCQ course and the class PDFs you can download, test series and the doubt clearing sessions. Okay, so you may take the subscription plan. That the link I kept in the description box of this video and the details I kept at the end of this video. And you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. And if you want to contact me personally regarding this one, in the description box the Telegram link is also kept, so you may find out, guys. Coming to the present content of the video, so we got this notification from the Indeed website, guys. And whatever the advertisement you are looking on your screens, it is also the Indeed website. So I may check down here the subject matter expert from Unacademy and the subject matter expert from Vedantu Innovations Private Limited. Okay, so from both these two, here the vacancies are announced. So first we will see the subject matter expert from Unacademy. So what is the requirement and all these things, and then we will go to the Vedantu. Fine. So here, yeah. So we want the educators to help us make this product great and helpful for our learners. We are currently looking for educators for IIT, JEE, Physics, Chemistry, SSC, Logical Reasoning, Quantitative Analysis, who can help us to take the doubt clearing tool to greater heights and help each and every learner. A doubt clearing educator is entitled to to certain benefits as listed here under. Opportunity to be an educator for the new doubt clearing program of Unacademy, India's largest learning platform, and the attractive incentives also will be provided. Prerequisites for becoming a doubt clearing educator is that the candidate should be the bachelor's degree or else above, okay, and should have a stable broadband connection and a laptop with i3 or above processor. And we request interested educators fulfilling the above criteria to kindly fill up this Google form, okay. And it is a part-time walk-in, and here they mentioned the remote. Remote means you can work from home itself, and the salary is 30 to 40,000 rupees per month. And experience, if experience 1 year is there, then it will be preferred. Otherwise, okay, no need, guys. Okay, even though if you are a fresher, then no need, no problem, you can apply for this one. And you can apply with the employer also. Here the contact number is also provided, 9596402701. Okay. And whatever the Google form provided here, so you can search out this vacancy through this Indeed website also. Fine. So it is a Google form which is provided by the Unacademy, guys. So your name, gender, contact number, email ID, and in which degree you bachelor's in, what is the specialization and what is the master's. So the bachelor's is highlighted, okay, that is, it is important. And even though if you don't have master's also, no problem, okay. And experience and the category, resume. Fine. So if you're having the 0 experience, just mention 0 here, guys, okay, and then click on the submit button after adding the or else attaching the resume. Fine. So it is the thing. And next, while coming to the subject matter expert in the case of Vedantu, so chemistry, physics. Fine. Here roles and responsibilities: curriculum and content design for high school or the secondary grade suitable for online teaching and learning. The content design should use the best pedagogical practices, identify key learning objectives, use lesson flow that enhances the students' learning, and use appropriate visual aids such as image, diagrams, GIFs, and short video clips, okay. And create the storyboards through the brainstorming with the team. Coordinate with the graphic media team to create the necessary visual aids to be used in the content. So design in-class and post-class assessments and worksheets. Update and reviewing the supplementary and content materials like short notes, assignments, tests, okay, quizzes, mock test series, etc. And you have to be responsible for achieving the learning experience and learning outcome improvement goals, and you have to track the student performance also as well as the feedback. Fine. So yeah, these are all things. And the competences required: bachelor's or master's degree in the respective subject for which you are applying for. Okay, and excellent knowledge of the respective subject for which you are applying for. That means whatever the subject you are applying for, in that subject you must have the bachelor's or else a master's degree. Okay, and good pedagogical skills and prior teaching experience would be an added advantage. So 1 to 2 years of experience in curriculum design. Freshers with excellent pedagogical and teaching skills also can also be considered. And proficiency in working with the Google Suite, Microsoft spreadsheets, Excel, document, Word, PPT slides. Good logical thinking and aptitude skills. Candidate with a creative bent of mind will be desired. Fine. So ability to collaborate and work with the team. So all these things are mentioned here, and the contract length is for the 12 months, and it's a full time. Fine. And temporarily it is mentioned as a remote. Temporarily means you can temporarily for a few days work from the home itself, and afterwards it depends upon the institute, guys. Okay. So these are all things, and if you want to apply for this one, you can apply through the Indeed website itself. Okay. So total these are the two different vacancies from the Unacademy as well as the Vedantu. So wonderful institutes, guys. So you will get the very good benefits and the incentives and very good salary also if you work hard. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues, and if your requirement is not met in this video, then please mention your subjects or a requirement in the comment section. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. And to get my next video as a notification to your mobile phones, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may listen, guys. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay.